Hi folks, Louisiana Long here. Just wanted to show you a beautiful sunset that we ended the day in Smithers with after the ride from Nugget City. The day before, during the ride from Dawson to Nugget City, we had made a stop in Whitehorse to pick up a box of parts. I guess KTM riders have to stash parts along the route of the trips they want to take. Evidently, they shed pieces. Now, my Honda, I haven't had a problem, a little bit of a leak on a seal, but other than that, I haven't had to replace anything. So our morning was spent before we left Smithers watching the KTM guy put on sprockets and chains and all of that good stuff. Well, I had a nice warm eggs to order breakfast. Now, I gotta admit, he's pretty efficient. He got everything done and still got a chance to have breakfast. So that's why we're kind of late getting out of here this morning. But just have to say, I guess those bikes from Austria need a piece now and then. So if you're having a trip with the Austrian make sure you drop parts along the way that you can pick up on the way back, just to keep yourself safe. Good morning, folks. It is 9:47 Smithers, British Columbia time. We are just getting ready to leave to head on our next leg, which is to Prince George. I'm going to see if I can get some seals and try to do the fork legs when I get to Merritt. So this is a little view of Smithers. Very nice hotel we stayed in. Very clean, comes with a full breakfast, eggs to order. It's called the Stork's Nest Inn. And people there are very cordial, very helpful. So if you're ever up this way, I recommend staying there. Hoping not to run into any storms today. Our route looks clear. It is already 77 degrees, so it looks like we should have a good day. The sniffle. We're back into civilization where things grow away from the tundra, so my nose is starting to give me the old hay fever troubles. See a lot less in the way of animals now. We're back into civilization, so be seeing the domestic kind, but not the wild kind that I enjoy. Through some repairs this morning on one of the guys I'm riding with. His KTM was the chain had started splitting rollers, so we picked up a used chain and sprocket that they had left in Whitehorse just in case, and we put that on this morning. I say we, but he did 99% of the work. My fork seal has looked good overnight. It hadn't sweat anymore. It did a little bit yesterday. like the start of a good day. I want to give a big shout out to Cycle North Power Sports. The lady there, who I believe was the owner's daughter, parts manager, something, and or both of those, went out of her way to help me find fork seals, and especially the SKF's fork seals that I wanted so that I could repair my bike. She arranged so that the seals can be picked up in cam loops when we stop there, and everything and everybody at that store were beyond professional. A big shout out to them. They were very, very helpful, and if you're ever in the St. George area and need anything, I would definitely look up Cycle North Power Sports. Midday, I believe on Wednesday. We are on Highway 24 headed to Kamloops. I'm going to be picking up some seals there to do my forks tomorrow or the next day. View coming up here, coming down a very steep decline. Between Kamloops and Merritt BC